Guys, how we are doing today? Before I start to show you what I'm doing today, I want to appreciate you all. I want to say thank you for your support, for your love. Each time I upload a new video, you guys are there. Guys, let me tell you, I really appreciate your time and your presence. Thank you so much, guys. Today, guess what I'm making? I'm making egg white and honey Botox. Egg marks at home Botox. You don't need to waste your money to go under the knife to do Botox, to tighten your skin, to tighten the muscles on your face, to look younger than your age. No, guys, stop now. This is what you can do on your own at home with ease, with less money. Just egg whites and honey. Broke your egg. Save the white egg out, beat it to a foaming consistency and put honey, and that is it. Max it all over your face. You can max it first, then use a kitchen towel paper to cover up your face. Max it on top of the towel paper and leave it for 15-20 minutes before you wash it off. It will peel off old dead skin. This process cover up, help your pores firming and face stretching and face tightening, face gluing, face shining, face smoothing. Your face will look radiant, shining, fluffy. You look younger than your age. This increases your collagen as well. Okay, guys, let's crack on and do the process now and keep watching. Firstly, I break my eggs. It depends how big your face, how wide your face is. I got a smaller face, so this is the egg white. You see, it's very easy to remove from the yolk. Very easy. You can use something to sieve it if you don't know how to do it, but it's very, very easy. Follow this process that I'm doing now. Very easy. That is the egg white in there. Okay? So you can save the other egg for something else. You can use the egg yolk to do your hair conditioning if you want, or condition your face if you want. So that is my egg white. Okay, I'll now drip in my honey. That is my honey. My honey goes in there. Okay, then it's optional if you want. If you don't want, just use just honey and egg yolk. That is it. But because I'm using it on my face, I'm going to be using fegreek oil. Fegreek oil. Yeah, fegreek oil and coconut oil. Okay, I'm going to be using both. Fegreek oil and coconut oil. You can buy them on Amazon. I'm going to tip in the oil. Okay? So you whisk. You whisk it properly. Get it foaming, okay? So guys, today, like you saw me earlier on, I've mixed my egg whites and my honey and my coconut oil and fegreek seed oil. It's optional to put coconut oil and fegreek seed, but why I'm putting it is because I'm using it on my skin. So those two oils are exceptional. If you don't want it, just use only egg and honey. So basically, I'm here now to apply this Botox, DIY homemade Botox. So you look, if you are 20, it cuts 20 years out of your age. It's not funny. I am telling you guys. Okay, so I have mixed my egg white and my honey and my coconut and fegreek oil seed. So right now, I want to start applying it on my face. You can whisk the egg white. When it is very, very foamy, then you use it on your face. Right now, my face, I didn't oil my face. My face, I've bathed this morning. Only lipstick I put on my face. I didn't do any makeup. I didn't rub any cream. Okay, so guys, this is the egg white and the honey and coconut oil and fegreek seed oil that I've just mixed together. Those two oils are exceptional. If you don't want them, you just use only egg whites and honey. Good honey. Then you beat the egg whites. Then you start applying it on your face. Make sure there's no cream on your face in the morning or in the night. If you want to do it before you go to bed. It's a face mask for Botoxing, to Botox your face, to reduce your age, to fight anti-wrinkles, to fight aging, you know, to tighten up the muscles on your face, tighten your face, smooth your face, make your face flawless, glowing face, you know, bright face, shining skin, smooth skin, healthy skin, you know. So this one I'm doing now, you can use, you can do first coating like this with brush or with cotton wool. Then you can put in tissue paper, stick it to your face, you know, do it according to your face shape, then begin to apply it on top. But I don't want that one. So when you want to remove it, you just peel. This remove dead cells, dead dust and skin out of your skin. Then you begin to get young baby skin, young baby face. Okay, people say, oh, I don't want to old, I don't want to old. These are what I do, which I'm just showing you people now, all over around your neck. Leave it for 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You can leave it for an hour. You know, so if I do this first layer, then I let it dry, then I do another one on top. I do the third one on top. You can do up to 4 times on top and leave it all day. Take it to bed, go to bed in the morning, wash your face with lukewarm water. Use your normal face wash in the morning to wash your face. Don't scrub your face, just face wash. Yeah? Then you apply any day cream that you use. You apply any rich oil on your skin. Okay? People have, you see some people, their face is dull. Their skin is dull, dry face. Look like they rub white powder, you know, because they got dead skin still stick in there and they're not treating it. You have to treat it so that you have a, you know, a new skin on, you know. So you can do this 3 times a week. You can do this like I do this twice a week. But you can, if you are having problem with, you know, saggy face, dark black face, dull face, not dry skin, pimples, rashes, you know, you got saggy face, eye bag here. You need to start using them. You can do this 4 times in a week, basically. Do it 4 times a week, you know. So continue doing this one, you know. Continue, seriously. You will see how your face will look like. In the morning, use lukewarm water and your day face wash to wash off the egg. And apply your normal day cream or apply your oil. You must use essential nice oil for your skin that suits your skin. My skin right now, before I start applying this, I only bath this morning, wash off my face, no makeup. Only the makeup I put was my lipstick, you know. So I just said, let me show you people, you know, how to Botox your face at home. You look younger than your age, you know. This, you know what egg does. You know the vitamin and the nutrient egg does in our body. Then, that is why you should use egg and honey. You know the nutrient vitamins they contain, antioxidant they contain. So you can imagine when you eat egg, how, you know, the nutrient it gives you in your body. So not to imagine your skin. People don't know that we should feed our skin. Look at my skin, look at my body. We should feed our skin. Don't mind my tattoo. I have a Holy Ghost fire tattoo here. I did ages ago. That is the dove and that is the fire burning. Touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. Yes. So guys, like I was saying, this is the treatment you need to give to your face. You will have a glowing skin, flawless skin, shining skin, smooth skin, like a baby skin. They say, you never old. Your face is looking so like a baby skin. This is the secret. You don't have to go and spend any penny or any money to go and do Botox. Go under the knife, go under surgery to do Botox and spend all that lots of money. These are just 2 cheap ingredients you can buy. This egg I used was £1. It's organic egg. So if you want to buy just ordinary egg, maybe you get 50p own or 60p own. But I went for organic egg, which is 1 pound. Then this honey, I've got it long time ago. Monuka honey I bought from Holland and Barrett's. So this honey I put in here has been serving me for nearly 2 years now. Monuka honey is very expensive. Everybody knows Monica honey. That is what I use. So what I use, I try to use quality things, you know. But if what your money can afford, any honey is honey, my darling. Use any honey that your money can buy. Use any egg that your money can buy. If you can't buy afford the fegreek seed oil, coconut oil, you can use good olive oil. Use coconut oil. Use corn oil and apply it on your face, okay? So I will leave this for 30, 25 minutes, depends. Then when it gets dry, apply again to mask my face. This is Botoxing treatment. Home Botoxing treatment is free. It doesn't cost me any money. You know, all this treatment I'm doing now, it doesn't even cost me up to 3 quid. It doesn't cost me because that honey, I've used that honey for several occasions, several times, and it's still there. When I was buying this Monuka honey, I was like, oh, it's too expensive. It's too expensive. The guy said, buy it because it's going to last you. And honestly, believe me, it's going to 2 years now I've been using this Monuka honey. I bought from Holland and Barrett. So if you want to buy any essential oil, you go to essential shops where they sell essential oils. You can go online and search for them. You can buy them from any shop, health shop. So guys, that is my egg and honey Botox treatment I've just given myself today. It's good we treat ourselves. We are what we eat. What you eat tells on your skin. Our skin needs to be fed. Like the way you feed your belly, you eat, and it nourishes your body. That is how we should be feeding our skin. Feed your skin with oranges we eat. You can use to exfoliate your face. But today, we're just talking about egg whites and honey. Today, I'm talking about egg white and honey, fegreek seed oil, and coconut oil is optional. Okay? So that is it. And so you just use to massage it gently, so it penetrates into your skin. It allows the blood flow under your skin. By massaging it like this, the blood under your skin is flowing very well. Okay, guys. Some people will say, oh, I eat granite, my face gives me pimple. My face, no, because you don't look after your face, guy. I'm telling you the truth. I will tell you the truth, but nothing but the truth. You don't look after your face. You don't eat good food. You don't drink plenty of water. You feed yourself with fat frying food with oil, sugar, and salt. When I see some people, they cook, the amount of salt they chuck inside their food, it baffles me, honestly. But that is by the way. So, guys, this is my Botox at home. I'm Botoxing my face at home. Can you see? So guys, follow this method. Watch this video to the end. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And poke that notification bell, that conco bell, so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. You will be the first to go and watch it. And subscribe and leave a comment below the comment section so I'll get back to you. Obviously, I always get back to all those that visit my channel, all those that watch my video and leave comments. Trust me, I make time. I am putting effort to reach you all. Trust me, I'm organic friend. And thank you. And keep safe and keep grounded and look after yourself. Keep healthy. Okay, guys. And see you and thank you. Cheerios. Thank you, guys. So now, after 30 minutes, this is 30 minutes now. Okay? So after 30 minutes, I'm going to apply more on my face. Then I'm going to give it another 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it out. See? It's just like squeezing my face, like stretching it, stretching my face. That is what it does. So this is DIY home Botoxing, which you can do for yourself, you know. Because our aging starts from our neck. Your neck, your face, the rest part of your body, clothing, your clothing can, you know, cover all the secrets. But your face, there's nothing to cover it. Even when you put on makeup, makeup doesn't cover everything. You know that? Makeup does not cover everything, guys. Trust me. I will tell you the truth. Makeup, yeah, it covers a little bit, but not all. Not 99%. No, it doesn't. So what will cover your wrinkles, what will stop you having wrinkles, sag face, under eyes, sag, or under eye bag, you know, is egg whites and honey. Egg whites and honey treatment Botox at home. Okay, guys, keep grinding. Okay, I'll give it some few minutes before I wash it off. So now, guys, after like more than 40 minutes now, I'm running the cold tap. This is my cold tap. I'm running the cold tap. Can you see it? To wash it off. Wash it off. Then I'll go and rub my day cream. My day cream can be my serum, can be my oil, can be my face cream. Okay, cold. I will advise to use cold running water. I will use cold running water to cover up the pores. I will use cold running water or warm lukewarm water, but I like to use cold water all the time to wash my face. Forget about the smell of the egg, okay? Don't worry about the smell of the egg. Some people say, oh, the egg will smell. I don't like the egg. Okay. I like the smell of the egg. So right now I'm washing my face. Can you see me? You just wash it gently with cold running water or warm lukewarm water to wash your face. Okay, guys?